Hi everybody, it's Nicole and I'm back with another video. If it's your first time here, welcome. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. So side note, from the point of the video, I know you're gonna ask me about my hair. This is like day 4 hair, still look bomb. Get into it. This is my twist out. So I will be recording that soon and you'll have that posted really soon. But today, I know why you came, I know why you're here, and we are here to get started on our SmileDirectClub journey. So, look what I received in the mail. My impression kit. They actually have a deal going on at the moment where you can basically get your impression kit for free. You know, dealing with coronavirus, they have a little deal going on. At least that's the one that I got, where the impression kit was $12 with the code, and they're going to give me a $25 Amazon gift card once I return it with the completed impression. So you're getting it for free, like you're actually getting money back for doing impressions. So that's a plus. And so for the people who do not know, SmileDirectClub is an invisible aligner company. They also have whitening treatments, but their main focus is aligners, like Invisalign. Think Invisalign, but just a bit cheaper, which is, you know, what I like. So I'm gonna give this a try. I've had braces 2 times already. I had metal braces and then I had clear aligners like this, and I keep losing my retainer. I mean, who don't lose their retainer, honestly? So I believe to pay in full, the impression kit is usually $99, but again, I had the promotion code. There's a one-time payment for the aligners when you get them. They do have another option where you put $250 down and then pay $80 a month, no credit check or anything like that, which is really good. So you'll pay the $80 for 24 months, bringing in a grand total of $22.90. So that's not bad. Like, that's the option that I'm choosing. I don't really want to do like the care credit option. I know my insurance will not cover it. I may check just to see if my insurance cover it, but if not, the main thing I'm going with is the $80 a month plan. They give you a little form you can fill out deciding the payment method you would like, credit card number, things of that nature here. So you can just fill that out, and if you do this in time, you can get $100 off just by filling out this form to expedite the process, which is nice. So, you know, I'm gonna do it. $100 off, yes, why wouldn't I? And, you know, traditional braces, they're around $2,000 to about $7,000, and then you have to keep your braces for years to see, you know, improvement, to get the full result of a new smile. This company claims that on average, you'll be done with your aligners and have your retainer in 6 months. 6 months. I don't think I heard me. 6 months, that is so fast. So I've been looking at like testimonials and reviews and things, and I think I'm ready to give it a go. So I'm about to do my impression kit. You can watch me and watch my journey. This is what the kit looks like. So you have the trays that go in your mouth, as well as the putty. Oh, it looks better like that, okay. And the putty that you'll mix together for each tray, and then you put in your mouth. And then right under this is another set of this. They want you to do 2 full pairs of impressions. So 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Because, you know, you might make a mistake with the first one and they want you to try again, basically, with the second one, make sure. And if the trays do not fit, they have a number here on their little pamphlet that they gave me. And you just call and say, you know, the trays do not fit, can I get another one? And they're usually good at getting a new one to you fairly quickly, so that's a plus. And then we also have the Smile Stretcher. So it looks like this. I'm used to all of this. Like again, I had braces before. So it opens up your cheeks from your teeth so that you can get really good pictures and send to them, because they need that as well before they start the aligner process. So it also comes with gloves. You're gonna need gloves. Don't try to do this without gloves, okay? Don't. And then a guide to complete the impression. I looked over this last night. Some stuff just in here just because, but some stuff is really important, especially like when you're comparing your impression to good ones versus bad ones. It provides adequate information for that. So make sure you check this out. I think I've done enough talking. Let's get into why you're here. So just gonna put my sleeves up because when I used to do this in the past at like my orthodontist, the putty is messy. So if y'all see me drooling, don't say nothing. Like, wait till you do it, because you're gonna drool too. Watch. They're not latex. I know a lot of people have latex allergy. They got nitrile, I believe that's how you pronounce it. So that's another perk, you know, they're obviously care about their clients that are coming in. So I'm just gonna do a test, make sure that this fits. Okay, looks good. Looks good. So I got my tray here. I'm gonna start on the bottom. I feel like the bottom will be a bit easier than the top, since I have a bit of an overbite. So I'm taking it out. Oh, it's not as messy. Maybe, let me wait till I mix them together. So you're supposed to mix the purple and the gray together. And they say like fold it, like you fold a piece of paper a whole bunch of times. Yeah, do this fast. It said you gotta make sure it's the right color and texture within 90 seconds. So a minute 30. I'm almost good now. It looks like it's, wow, it didn't take that long. Yeah, it's the color you want. So now you roll it, roll it, roll it like that, and then you place it in here like so. You leave the tray in for about 2.5 minutes, and I'm just gonna align it. Alright, so this is my impression. It's really good for my first one. I am seeing that down here, I hit the front of this, and I don't think they want that. So I'll just keep that in mind for the second one. Not too bad for my first one. I knew I was gonna have a problem with the top more than the bottom. You see how I did like a double impression there, like I got two. And I also messed up my molars back here. You see it real bad right here where I slid it a little bit. So I have completed the second round of impressions now. And the top teeth, that one looks way better. But the bottom, I did what I did on the top, which is a double impression. Again, I'm not sure if you can see it. You see how I did that at the bottom, where it's like 2 sets of teeth. Not good. And then this one, perfect. So again, in addition to the impressions that you'll do, you'll take, I don't know how many pictures, I haven't did it yet, but I know it should be a lot of pictures with the Smile Stretcher in, just so they can see the profile of your teeth in different angles. The next step is the Smile Stretcher. So how this works, it has 2 ends. You want this to be resting against your chin like that. And then there's a smaller end and then a longer end. You want the longer end to be in the cheek of your mouth, and this one will be outside the corner of your mouth. So you are able to like stretch it in a bit, not much, but you go on one side first and then you'll clip in the other side, and it'll show all of your teeth, all of them, all the way back to your wisdom teeth, if you still have them. I still have mine, so here we go. Like that. Hopefully when I put these impressions in, they're okay with the results. If not, I don't think I'll do this again. I think I'll go to one of their locations and just get a full scan done. So that's also another option if you want to just do that instead of the impression kit. You can do that for free, but they really like to expedite the situation there, so they'll be asking for the credit card, the $250 down, and then the sign agreement, I guess, for the $80 a month. So just keep that in mind if you go to one of their locations, because they ready to get their coin. Okay, they are ready for the coin. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please give this a thumbs up. Again, be sure to subscribe to the channel, press that bell to receive notifications when I post. And I really thank you guys for checking out my channel here in this video. I can't wait for you guys to watch this journey with me. So I will see you in the next one.